We even come with our own Grinch. Wow, dude.
That's awesome.
Oh,
what would I wear?
Dude!
Holy mother.
It's a Grinch after his first
Dude, stay out of that. You're already big enough. You're not going to be able to fit in your... Dude, that's just wrong. Hey folks, welcome back to a special edition of Live Today Like It Matters.
Yes, today we're going to do 10 gift ideas for new RVers. Last year, we were not full-time RVers,
right?
But we knew we were going to be. So we had to ask for gifts that we knew we could take in our RV. And so some of the things that we're going to share today are some of the things that we asked for and we got for Christmas last year.
Yeah, and stay to the end of the video because you'll actually see some of our decorating for Christmas here in the rig. So the first thing that you can get a new RVer for Christmas, which is super handy to have, is a good camp chair. I like this camp chair because it gives you the ability to have a normal chair and it folds up, but also it's a nice rocking chair. As you can see, it's very comfortable. It's easy to use. It folds up small like a normal chair, and as far as rocking, it just immediately has these technology here for this compression there, and that's what creates the rock. Alright, so number two, another thing that you can get in new RVers for Christmas, which is super handy, is a Yeti Cooler. There's some other coolers out there that you can use. We really like the Yeti brand. It speaks for itself. I think it's well known. We use it to haul ice in. We have the freezer, but it's not that big. In between holidays, we can put ice in it and we can put stuff that we're going to haul from place to place. This is the 35-ounce cooler. There's some other sizes. This is a good size for us. We found it wasn't too big, but it wasn't also too small. Inside it's pretty good space there. We also, as you can see, is covered with our stickers, so I also use it to display our stickers. A shout out to the RV Sticker Club. We share stickers from different RVers. We have ours right here, and the other places that we have been and things that we find cool. Alright, so another new RVer gift idea for Christmas that we found very useful, and we got right when we got our rig, really, is these Yeti Rambler. These are the 14-ounce rumblers, and we use them all the time every morning. It's just what's our coffee.
Yes. So
super handy, super useful. Got a nice lid. They have some other colors to choose from, but we use these. This is kind of like a main use item all the time.
This is our like one and only drink cup.
Yeah, we did that. We thought we will have one really nice cup that we really like that we use. We don't need a bunch of other mugs and things. Helps cut down on weight. So
yes.
and room. So. All right, the fourth item for a new RVer is a GoPro. This is the GoPro 8, but any GoPro, something to catch the memories with, and while you're out having adventures and having a great time with family and seeing cool things, you can capture that. And we've had a blast going back and looking at what we've done and making memories with that. There's also some other mods that you can do to it to enhance that experience. So there's a media mod for it, external light, an external mic, and a tripod here. We'll put links in the description of the items that we use and love, but something like that where you can catch those memories, and it's just a gift that keeps on giving, and it's pretty cool that you can go back and look at that. Alright, so another thing that we love that you can gift to a new RVer is Audible.
Because we love reading, but books can get really heavy in the RV. We learned that the hard way.
Yes, and we used to have a lot of books that carry with us. We tried to downsize, it still wasn't enough. So but it also works great because we can listen to books on the road as we travel, and catch your great podcast books. There's all kinds of things on there. So it makes a great gift opportunity.
Yes, in fact, we're going to post a link in the descriptions because you can get Audible for 30 days for free using our link below.
Alright, the sixth thing is the Blackstone Griddle. We use this all the time. On the top here, I actually bought separate, but this is the 22-inch version. There's a 17, a little smaller also if it fits your needs better. We use this all the time. It's a huge part of our travels as we grill out. It has the attach right here to hook up to the gas, and super handy if you're going to be out on the road all the time. So we highly recommend it. I'll also throw a description in the links here about this table that we use. It's super handy. It all folds down really nice and small when you're traveling, but it also works great as a tabletop here for our Blackstone.
Gift idea number 7 is the Dyson stick vacuum. We actually bought this way before we knew we were going to be full-time RVers, and it is amazing because it's so compact, it's easy to store, and it's easy to vacuum, and I think this would make an awesome Christmas present. Another gift idea for new RVers is a map. We have a map of the United States because that's where we're traveling, and we got this for Jeremy for Christmas last year. The kids and I did, and so it's just your stickers, and you put them on the map. When you're done, you can see our kids putting our last 2 stickers on of where we've been. So is this a good RV Christmas gift?
Yeah, this is. It's really fun because you can see, and everybody else can see where you've been in your RV.
Yes. So what's Jack putting on?
He's put on Maryland.
And Katie?
I'm putting on Pennsylvania.
These are the hottest stickers we have not been to yet.
Those are all the places we need to go to.
Right here is where we've been.
Gift idea number 9 for new RVers is a felt letterboard. This actually was a Christmas gift to us from some friends for Christmas last year, and we went ahead and put our Live Today Like It Matters on our board. But we have seen some of our Instagram friends put their location and their date, and they take cute pictures for Instagram with their letterboard. Number 10. This actually is on my Christmas wish list this year, and it's super simple, and that is flip-flops. We, as new RVers this year, we have gone through so many flip-flops, and it's super easy. Like if you're gonna mail a gift to RVers, they're super lightweight. They do not take up a lot of space. But more specifically, we like flip-flops that are lightweight and super quick at drying. So we're going to share some of our favorite flip-flops in the description below. There you go.
No, these are better.
It's like
I forgot to get hummus.
It's like you hate them and you love
Then
them.
we got this.
Ooh. Sausage. And a meat stick.
Oh my gosh.
So, sneak preview here. We already have some Christmas lights up. Got some icicles, and we got the stuff out. We got 2 piles of Christmas there and here.
So this is what we got. Just some fun
Cute
stuff.
stuff.
Oh, those pillows were Black Friday.
Yeah,
Walmart.
$5 for pillows. They can't beat
I
that.
just gotta fix that one.
Gotta get the tree. We have reverted to a tiny tree. We used to have actually 2 large trees, but this year is different.
Tree.
And a pistol tree. We used to have 3 trees, but this year is different. All right. Nice work, Kate. Look at decorating a little tree with our little fa la 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 la. Alright, so Victor's a big show. Let's see how he rolls.
It's hard. You're like, what?
Yep. See how you can fix it.
That's like, if I do this, and like, just this a little bit.
I think I had feelings.
Why
Nope.
do you have feelings?
I think I had. I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna say.
I think
I have feelings.
I venture to say nobody has a clue what I did.
I know.
It's an apron.
You can repeat. Take 2.
I was smart with my tires.
Nope. Actually, how would I tell you if it was on?
It's a tree skirt.
Well, come on already.
Yeah, hot stuff.
Yeah.
Alright. Since we're getting all kinds of legit.
Is it money?
Alright.
That's what the package was.
You ready?
Oh god.
No.
Oh, so
Oh my
fun.
goodness.
It's our
Have our flag.
Yay!
We're all kinds of legit in the yard now.
Yes. It's not fluffy socks, but it's still good.
What do you think? Is it pretty
It's
cool?
Yeah, I love it.
I want to see
That's
what
nice.
it feels.
I already know what it's.
Whoa.
Is it waterproof?
It's supposed to be.
It feels like
Outdoor proof.
Yeah.
Sweet.
What do you think, folks? This is our logo. You see this flapping in the front of our rig yard? Come say hey.
Yes. We like making new friends.
Now.
We're getting there. Got the icicles and the tree going.
What is that?
Pizza.
Yeah, these look Aztecs.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Oh,
All right.
Cover this.
We got
Oh, wait.
the Christmas decorations And the mood lighting. And the tiny Christmas tree here.
Cheers! I like the black and white.
What do you guys think? Tiny tree. Live today like it matters is where it's at.
I see you some.
Oh, eggnog guy here. No, I'm good, bud.
I still go.
And so, and then let's go
Santa's in the house.
see what. Oh, and then there's Miss Santa Claus in the house with her like legit red and green
Dad,
lighting.
I'm gonna make this better. One sec.
Oh, look at this.
I'm gonna make this better.
You gonna make it better? Ooh, we're gonna have a disco. Sweet. Okay, that's gonna make me sick.
Dad, this is broken.
Nice.
I sort of like it.
Did you get over here?
Fire going. Alright, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you like, and let us know what you guys think are some great ideas for other Christmas gifts for new RVers or even people that have been doing it.